was like, hey girl, you won my giveaway. Send me your address and I'll send you the prize. And I was like,
she's a bad
thing, fine as hell, thick as oh my god, that's my baby.
welcome back to my channel. My name is Fiani, but you can call me Fee. So in today's video, I am finally opening a box that I got from a YouTuber named Jasmyn Destine. I follow her and I've been following her for about, I think 3 years now, 2 or 3 years. And she's probably one of my favorites. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because she's black, because she's from New York. I don't know what it is, but I love that girl. I'll be watching all her videos. Disclaimer, if you hear my smoke detector in the back, please ignore it. I have yet to change the batteries on that. I was supposed to do that a few days ago and I just haven't gotten around to it. I'm very grateful that she even does giveaways because, I mean, like I said, I love watching her videos just because I love her as a person. I really like her vlogs. I like her vlog style. I think she's so genuine and she's so like, you can tell when people are putting on a facade for like social media. She's not that girl. I've had this for about a month, I think. All right, one side open. I think that's all I need. Oh my God. Guys, she sent so much stuff. Oh my God. It's like Benefits. I can't even speak. Benefits pomade. So the brow pomade in warm deep brown. She knows. Guys, wait. Let me show you how packed this box is. Huh? I was like, oh, I have to go to Sephora or something, get like new fragrances for my birthday, like go to Ulta, get new makeup. I didn't even open what's in here, but like, let's get to see what this is. An enzyme scrub from, I think the brand is Wishful, and it's called You Glow. Ooh. Full spectrum, oh, from CoverGirl, an all day eyeliner, period. Is this bronze, blush, and highlight palette? Guys, I was just saying I need to get new bronzer. I don't wear highlight that much. Like I do have I think I have a Fenty highlighter. Or maybe I have a highlighter from somewhere and I don't wear it that much, but like, something smells so good and I can't wait to find out what it is. Oh my God, and I love this packaging. Is this like sustainable? Is that why it looks like this? If you follow me on any of my social media, you would know I am a tree hugger, literally. And I love sustainability. This is, it has the colors on the back. So it's like all of these, which brown skin babe, yes. This is perfect for me. The Bomb and the Beautiful. Never ending drama. I don't know what this is. What is this, guys? Do you guys know what this is? Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, wait, how do I? Clearly I don't use makeup that much because I have no idea how to open any of this stuff. Oh wait, do you just? Big brain. Ooh, these, look at my skin tone and look at these and tell me this is not perfect. Oh my gosh. And okay, as you can tell, I don't really wear eyeshadow like that because I don't know how to apply eyeshadow that well. But now that I have this to practice, and the other thing is I didn't want to buy eyeshadow because I'm like, girl, you do not know what you're doing. You about to spend $30 on some eyeshadow and you're gonna mess your face up and you're gonna waste the eyeshadow. So I was like, I kind of just gave up on that. But now I have an eyeshadow palette for my, perfect for my skin tone. Ooh, the lip bar. Oh my gosh. So if you guys don't know what the lip bar is, vegan, black owned, and she was actually, I don't know, I think it's just technically like one owner, but she was on Shark Tank, which is a show I have literally not seen one episode of ever, but I do know her story because I followed her on Instagram. Her story is beautiful. Like They did my girl dirty, but she came back. Jasmyn, you are the girl. You are it. More benefits, high beam. Is this a satiny pink complexion highlighter? Let's see, let's see. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I Adore serum. Hydrates, intensively firms, and brightens. Decrease puffiness. There's more. There's so much more in here. More of the lip bar. Face tint, skin conditioner. 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner. Rose tinted lip and cheek satin. I'm assuming this is like a blush. Skin serum foundation from the lip bar. Night's Owl. I think this is like a black. So it's like an eyebrow pencil, which is perfect because I only have one. Typically, I like to keep about 3. Can you use foundation as concealer? Wander Beauty, Baggage Claim, gold eye masks? Yes! Oh my God, I'm gonna be so bougie this summer. Come on. Yes!
If she has a million fans, I am one of them. If she has 1 fan, it's me. If she has 0 fans, I'm dead.
Eyeliner. I stan liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner has been my go-to makeup staple forever. Ever since I learned to do makeup in middle school, I've been using black liquid eyeliner, and I will never stray. Makes the wing cutthroat. That is beautiful. I'm about to become a makeup guru with all this stuff that she just gave. $16.88. This is cute little packaging. I knew it was about to be lashes. You could tell when you about to get some lashes. These are so nice. So I don't wear like, I don't really do like crazy lashes, but every now and then when you want to step out and really step out, these are the lashes to do it. Our people are free, our language is color. What is this? Weightless, soft, matte, hydrating foundation. This is a beautiful bottle. Weightless, so maybe this is my winter shade. I'm gonna find a way to use this. And if I can't, I'm gonna find somebody to give it to. Oof, that was satisfying. Oh my God, these are so soft. Okay, so I have 2 sets of makeup brushes and I only use 1 set. Why, I don't freaking know. But this is way softer than the makeup brushes that I have right now. I see this everywhere and I'm like, oh, what is that? The Benefits Hula Glow. Is that what smells good? Let me find out. House Laboratories. Never heard of this. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's lipstick. Oh, I think it's just the box. Whatever oh my God. This smells amazing. What did you spray on here? I feel like I'm like a part of PR. Like the amount of stuff that I just got. And it's all like good stuff and stuff that I've been looking at getting and I just haven't gotten. Girl, you blew my mind. I didn't know what to expect, but I was not expecting this. Like, I thought I was gonna get like a gift card or something. I'm like, oh, Starbucks gift card. She's amazing. Thank you so much, Jasmyn. Thank you guys for watching this little unboxing video. I am so grateful. Like, this is unbelievable. I have no words. I have no more words, but thank you. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, whatever you would like, and I will catch you in my next one.
Boy, you like 98 degrees and I'm 300. Keep your feet running. I keep when I eat these beats. Better boy, get stopped.